Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this colorful tribal look and I really hope you guys enjoy it. First I'm starting off with the Anastasia Dipbrown Pomade and this is in the color chocolate, and I'm going in with my Benefit brow brush and I'm just outlining the bottom of my brow. Then I'm also outlining the top half of my brows. Then towards the beginning, you'll see that I make these hair strokes and it gives like a nice feathered natural effect. Next, I'm going in with my MAC Prolongwear Concealer, and this is in the color NC42. And I'm taking my flat concealer brush just to shape my eyebrows. This just gives it a nice clean look, and it starts as a base for my eyeshadow. Now to continue priming my eyelids for my eyeshadows, I'm using the same MAC Prolongwear Concealer, and this is a great eyeshadow base. I don't set it with any powders. Next I'm going with this bright orange from the Zulu palette by Juvias, and this is going to act as our transition color. It kind of just blends all the colors together. Now I'm going in with that brown in the same palette, and this just starts to deepen up the outer crease. Next I'm going in with my favorite MAC palette at the moment. It is called the MAC Art Library in the color Flame Boyant, and I'm going in with the color Embark just to deepen up that crease some more. Then I'm going to cut my crease with the same concealer by MAC, and this will just help the lid color to pop. Next I'm going in with that Masquerade palette by Juvias, and I'm using a bronze gold shimmer, and this is going to be my base for my glitter that I'm going to be using. I'm using the NYX Glitter glue and the loose glitter pigment by MAC, and this is in the color gold, and I'm just packing that onto my eyelid. You can pack on as much as you want, depending on how dramatic you want your eyeshadows to be. Next I'm going in with my Wet n Wild liquid liner in the color Voltage Blue, and I'm just making a winged liner. I feel like the blue in the NYX collection is way better than this. This came off more purple than blue, so I'd recommend using the NYX liner. Now I'm going in with my Loreal Voluminous Mascara, then I'm applying my lashes. You can use any style lashes that you're comfortable with, but I like mine's long and dramatic. Now for the face, I'm going in with my MAC Stroke Cream, and I always use this as a primer because it gives my skin a nice glow, and it also helps to moisturize my face a lot. Now I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in the color Classic Tan as my foundation. It does give me a nice full coverage look, and I use just a little bit of that foundation, and I blend that out with my beauty blender. Next I'm going in with my concealer, the Tarte Shape concealer in the color Tan Sand, and this is my favorite concealer so far. And I like to go under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose. I put a little bit on my forehead, above my cupid's bow, and on my chin. And I do blend that out with the beauty blender. I feel like I get the best results using the beauty blender. Warm up my skin, I'm using the Clinique Contour stick, and I think this is the only contour stick that they have. And I'm just going around the perimeters of my face, and this just brings warmth back into my skin and gives me like a nice bronzy look. I also like to take that down the sides of my nose and around my jawbone area and use a stippling brush just to blend that out. Now to set and bake, I'm using my Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just setting all the areas that I used my concealer. This also helps to brighten up under my eyes, and it lasts all day. Next, I'm setting my contour with the black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using the middle shade and an angled fluffy brush. Next, I'm going back into my Masquerade palette by Juvias and I'm taking the color Dahlia, and I'm just gonna line my bottom lash line with that. I'm also taking some of that into my waterline with an angled brush. I'm using my loose pigment highlighter from MAC in the color Golden Bronze, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks and my nose and my forehead, and this is gonna give me that nice golden sun-kissed look. Now to intensify my highlight, I'm using my MAC Fix Plus and my Fenty highlighter in the color Trophy Wife, and that just gave me the best highlighter ever. Next, I'm going to outline my lips using the NYX lip liner in the color Espresso, and I'm just going to outline my lips and kind of fill it in, kind of like an ombre. Now I'm going to go in with my favorite gloss. I don't even remember the name of it because it was in my Ipsy glam bag, but it's really pretty. It gives like a nice iridescent look. And that's all I did to complete this look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to leave a comment below and subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!
Say hi. Oh, bless you. Bless you, Jaja. Oh, bless you. Oh.